Hello and welcome to Antara Zouqh. Today I'm planting spinach seeds, and as you can see, this is my spinach patch. These are really old plastic containers, and you can see they are breaking up in places as well. So they're very old, they're very reliable. This is the same container where I have been growing spinach, rather containers. You can see a line of containers here. I grow my spinach right here every year for the last 3 years. So today I thought maybe I will take you in that journey. So here, as you can see, I'm just fluffing up the soil. So because my last year's spinach is done, I need to fluff up the soil here and get rid of any dried leaves or any weed if you have growing here. The weather this time around was very kind, so I thought maybe it is time for me to sow my spinach. Very soon the monsoons would come in, and that will anyways help me. Now, as you can see, all my pots have been nicely fluffed up. I have used as a tool just this really small tablespoon, and with that I have done this. Now the next step that I have done over here is just patted all my mitti together so that it's in one layer. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, because that's exactly what is going to happen when you grow your own food. You can always wear gloves if you want to. Now I have sprayed some water, and now these are the palak seeds. We will just strew it all over the pot. And I've got my vermicompost right there in that plastic bag. That is what will go on top. A little more densely would be nice, because most of these seeds won't germinate. So you have to be a little dense. That music is by Ansh Chakraborty, as you have seen from our other videos. Do you want to come and put the vermicompost, Ansh? Now we'll slightly pat the seeds into the soil so that it's in contact with the soil. Lightly pat, lightly. Yeah. Anyways, and it's time to top it up with vermicompost, or any other kind of compost will do as well. Any other sort of manure. It has to be solid though. Similarly, now I will finish off doing each one of them. We have already watered it, so right now I don't need to water it again. Tomorrow morning we will water it.